Ahava blessings, bendiciones. And today I am going to share this beautiful mantra. Hoy voy a compartir este precioso mantra in Aramaic, which is sacred unity. En arameo, que es la unidad sagrada. And this is the word that Yeshua used to call God, the word he used for God, which is Mother, Father, sacred unity. Es la palabra que utilizaba Yeshua para la Madre, Padre, Dios, que es Alajá, que significa la unidad sagrada. And he did use other names as well. And he also used Maria, and he also used Abun. También utilizó otros nombres como Maria y Abun. But there's something really special about chanting the Alaha, as it really reminds us that we are one, and that we're not just one in a humanity, but we're connecting to the energetic field of sacred unity, where everything is interconnected. We are connected with the cycles of life, with past, present, future, with creation, right? Creation is an ongoing process. It's not just something that happened. It's continuously happening. So this is the beauty of chanting Alaha. And also on a physical level, Alaha opens up the heart center, opens up the auric field, giving us more space, right, to receive and also to liberate that which cannot sustain itself, because energetically there's nothing to grab onto. Vamos a cantar Alaha, porque nos ayuda a conectarnos con el infinito, ¿no? De la Madre, Padre, esa energía infinita, y también a nivel físico lo que hace es abrir el chakra del corazón, el espacio áurico también, para que podamos expandirnos tanto y recibir mucho más en nuestra vida, y también soltar aquello que ya no es, porque ya no tiene dónde sostenerse. Así que vamos a cantar Alaha. We are going to chant Alaha. Allah, Allah. Amen. And just inhale, inhalar, and I want you to hold the breath. Quiero que vayas a sostener la respiración. Exhale, exhalar. Bring this into your daily practice. Traer esto a tu práctica diaria. It will do wonders for you. Hará maravillas para ti. These powerful Aramaic mantras, just what they awaken on a mystical level, they bring down to the earth level. Lo que despiertan estos mantras en arameo a nivel místico lo bajan a la tierra. And so this is just very powerful medicine. Thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias. Ahava.